So what's up guys, today I'm going to be doing an easy install video. A lot of people might see this stuff like on eBay or Amazon and stuff like that. It's a really cheap, easy mod to do that I think is pretty cool. So it's a projector light for your door. So let me go ahead and show you guys what it looks like. That's dope as hell. So it's a projector light that goes under your door. I'm going to show you what the other one looks like before this. Alright, so this is what the stock one looks like on your car usually. So it's just yellow. I mean, I'm pretty sure a lot of people have seen this before. You open up, there's nothing there. I like having the projector one because you can pretty much put any emblem, or it's just not Audi. It could be Ford, Charger, Dodge, or whatever the hell, or just like some custom ones as well. So I think that's pretty dope mod. Let me show you how to do it real quick. So first off, I want to shout out to my best friend who got me these. Thank you for always commenting and always helping out the channel. So these are from eBay. I'll try to find a link for them and I'll post it down below so you guys can go ahead and purchase some, or some, if honestly you can just look up on eBay or Amazon projector lights and just put in the model and make of your car, and a bunch will pop out, or just a bunch of different ones. So let me show you what they're like from the inside. So this is your stock one here. As you can see, it's just like a light bulb that's in there. Nothing special about it. It's just a light. It's just meant to shine down on the ground so you can see stuff. But that's all it is. And let me show you the projector one. Alright, as you can see, this is what the aftermarket one looks like. There's a little projector and it shines down, and then all the housing and all that. And it has the same plugs as the old one. Just make sure those match up before you go putting anything in. So let me show you how to put it on the car real quick. So this is the, where is it? Alright, so this is the front, this is the back. I'm gonna take the flathead and towards the front. Just gonna go ahead and go in through there, and it's under the light already. It's really easy. Pop it off, light comes out. That's how easy it is. So after that, I'm gonna go ahead and show you how to take these clips off. Alright, so now guys, as you can see, there is a clip on each side. It's just like prong that's grabbing in there. So what I'm gonna do is put my finger on each side like that, and kind of like just spread them apart, and then pull on it at the same time, or however you can just go ahead and do it. And sometimes it'll fly away like that. So sorry guys, but yeah, pretty much just go ahead and do that. This is all plastic. The bulb isn't gonna crack if it flies away or anything, so don't be scared about that. So now you have your projector, and what you're gonna do is, it's really easy. Just plug it in how it was before. So clip goes in, easy, and then after that, where does it go? It goes like, oh, sorry guys, it's kind of want to feel it. But the back, this part goes towards the back. Sorry, that goes in, and all you have to do is push in, and easy. So currently it's off at the moment, just because when you take it off or unplug it, the light turns off, just so it's not, you know, on. Let me go ahead and put my key back in and watch the ground. So as you can see there, it's on. The Audi emblem is there. It's not as strong right now just because there's a lot of light in here, but during the night and stuff like that, you can see it. Actually, in the video you can see it. It's really strong. It's pretty dope. So yeah guys, I don't have much more in this video just because it's such an easy install, and I pretty much just want to go ahead and show you guys, because a lot of people pass this up and don't want to get it. I didn't do it for a long time just because I wasn't sure about it, but I honestly love it. It's a little small details that matter, you know, when you open up your car door and you see stuff like this. So I think it's pretty cool, better than the yellow light. So yeah, dope. Also guys, I also did another thing to my car. So I have a rear seat delete now. If you guys want to see that, or a video on me doing a rear seat delete, like there's nothing in here, it's just that now. I made this. So if you guys want to see a video like that, comment down below if you guys want to see this, because I know there's not many videos on A5s removing seats and stuff like that. So I might make a video on that, just because there's nothing out there really. There's stuff for A4s and stuff like that, but not A5s. So if you guys want to see a video on a rear seat delete, or you want to know how to take off a rear seat, let me know, comment down below, and I'll go ahead and make the video on that. And also guys, if you guys didn't know, I also do have a charger on the channel, and these lights are for it. It's going to be back next week, so there's going to be some videos on a Dodge Charger SRT8. It's an 09, I believe it's an 09. So this is going to be a mod for it, just because the headlights were really ugly on it. So this is one of the mods that are coming for it. and I got more stuff in here as well. So if you guys want to see charger mods and stuff like that, I will be posting different car stuff on this channel, just because I'm gonna be starting on that build. So it's a SRT8, so 6.1 liter V8, so that's pretty cool. It'll be a little bit different from having, you know, a German car. I have an American muscle as well, and I'm gonna be starting that build as well. So if you guys want to take a look at that, stay tuned in the channel. And if you guys want to keep seeing more Audi content, just subscribe, like the video. It does help out a lot, and I'll see you guys till next time. Peace.